Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Somebody wanted me to make a tutorial of how you can speed ramp in Resolve 20. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve 20. First, import a video which you want to speed ramp. For me, I have this 2 cars video. Then right-click the video track and click on Retime Controls, and navigate at the starting point of your speed ramping. Then click the 100% and click Add Speed Point. Move to the point where speed ramp ends, and add another speed point. Then hold the second point like this, and move it to the left to make that area faster. Click Keyframes. Make sure to turn on the Retime Speed keyframe curve. Expand the window and select both points, and click on Ease In and Out at the top. For the final touch, modify the curve to get a smoother result. That's it for today. If you want me to make another tutorial, please tell me on the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe to not miss other upcoming content.